Hey there everybody, Steve again here with eXp Realty, and in this next video I'm going to take a couple of minutes and break down what exactly is title insurance and what it means for you in regards to the purchase of your new home. So for most of us, a home is usually the largest single investment that we'll ever make. With that being said, when you purchase a home, you'll also purchase several types of insurance coverages to protect against not only your home, but your personal property as well. You'll get homeowners insurance, which will protect against fire, theft, or wind damage. You'll sometimes get flood insurance, which will protect against rising waters. Lastly, there's a unique coverage known as title insurance, which will protect against hidden title hazards that may threaten the financial investment that is your home. So for most people, title insurance isn't quite as understood as well as other types of insurance, but it is just as important. You see, when purchasing a home, not only are you purchasing the land and the structure that sits upon the land, but you're also purchasing the title to that property, which is the right to occupy and use it. Now, that title may be limited to rights and claims asserted by other people, which would then limit your use and enjoyment of the property, and even in some cases bring about financial loss. Title insurance protects against these types of hazards. Other types of insurance that protect your home focus on possible future events as well as annual premiums. On the other hand, title insurance protects against loss from hazards and defects that potentially already affect the title and are purchased in a one-time premium at your closing. So usually with title insurance, there's two types of ways that it can benefit you. There's a lender or mortgagee protection, or there's an owner's coverage. Most lenders require mortgagee title insurance as security for the investment in the real estate, just as they may call for fire insurance or other types of coverage. When title insurance is provided, lenders are willing to make mortgage money available in distant areas that they may not know the market so well. Owner's title insurance lasts as long as you, the policyholder, as well as your heirs, who have an interest in the property as well. They may even be covered after the property is sold. Depending on local practices and state law where the property is located, you may pay an additional premium for an owner's policy, or you may pay a simultaneous issue charge, usually in a smaller amount, for the separate lender coverage. You may even split settlement costs with the seller for the lender or owner's policy. So what does the title premium really pay for? An important part of title insurance is its emphasis on risk elimination before insuring. This gives you, as the policyholder, the best possible chance for avoiding title claims and loss. You see, title insurance usually begins with a search of public land records affecting the real estate that is concerned. An examination conducted by the title agent on behalf of the title insurance underwriter, usually to determine whether the property is insurable. The examination of evidence from a search is intended to fully report all material objects that affect the title. Sometimes documents that don't clearly transfer title are found in the chain or history that is assembled from the records in a search. Here are some different examples of documents that can present concern. Deeds, wills, and trusts that contain improper wording or incorrect names, outstanding mortgages and judgments, or even a lien against the property because the seller has not paid taxes or because of a service charge that was done at some point, easements that allow the construction of a road or a utility line, pending legal action against the property that could affect the purchaser, and sometimes incorrect notary acknowledgments. Through the search and examination, title problems are disclosed so that they can be addressed and corrected wherever possible. However, even with the most careful preventative work cannot sometimes locate all hidden title hazards. Sometimes, in spite of the dedication and expertise that goes into a title search and examination, hidden hazards can emerge after closing, resulting in unpleasant and costly surprises. Some of those examples of hazards include a forged signature on a deed, which would mean the transfer of ownership to you is not actually valid, an unknown heir or a previous owner coming forward who's claiming ownership to the property that you now have, instruments executed under an expired or fabricated power of attorney, and different mistakes that were recorded in public records. Title insurance offers financial protection against these and other types of covered title hazards. The title insurer will pay for defending against an attack on title as insured and will either protect the title or pay valid claims, all for a one-time charge at your closing. Your home is your most important investment. Before you go to closing, speak to your real estate professional about title insurance and what it means for you in the purchase of your next home. Well, hopefully you guys took away something from this video. As always, if you have any further questions on any of the material covered, drop a comment, shoot me a message, or even give me a call, 352-598-0847. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.